everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up Good Vibes Scribe, which comes in such a cute box. And I love it because it says sending you good vibes only, and I just love that attitude. I'm all about the good, positive vibes. So this is the second time I've received this box. I last opened the September box, but today we're opening up the November box. So I love when companies send boxes a little bit early so you guys can see what you would be getting if you actually order it like today. Because a lot of times when you order it, you end up getting the next month and you don't know what's coming. So we're opening up the November Good Vibes Scribe today, so it's kind of like a sneak peek. So this is available on Cratejoy. I believe it is $31.50. I'm gonna leave that down below. They also gave me a promo code that will get you a free gift. So if you do subscribe, definitely take advantage of that. I'm also gonna leave down below all of the giveaways I have going on right now. I have several, including one that's for the new ABH and Carly Bible palette, and there's a few other makeup videos as well, or well, makeup giveaways and makeup videos down below. So if you have not entered, definitely check those out. It is pretty much giveaway month here on our channel. But anyways, let's get started and see what's in the November Good Vibes Scribe. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So it's neatly packaged, got some bubble wrap on there. And there is a card that says Good Vibes Scribe, sending you good vibes only, November 2019 featured products overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little about these wonderful gifts you have just received. And on the inside it talks about all of the items, which I think is awesome. So the first thing I see in here, I love. This is like a little decor for your home. This is wake up, be thankful, repeat. And I am all about practicing gratitude, and I could use a reminder sometimes. So this is perfect. I love this. And it's just like a wooden box, so you can just set this. Like I could put it in my desk behind me. I might put it downstairs actually in my living room. Wake up, be thankful, and repeat. Or maybe I should put it in my bedroom so when I wake up I see it. But this is the Second Nature Wake Up, Be Thankful, Repeat wooden sign. Second Nature by hand began about 20 years ago after Dave and Jen created their first pieces and took them to a local art fair. Their early years were spent at art shows where they were discovered firsthand, the excitement people felt towards their handmade work. Since those early days of working until the wee hours in the garage, they have expanded their designs and production and now offer their work to trusted retailers around the country. This line of wall art balances modern minimalist sensibility with the coziness of meaningful words. Natural wood and refined text creates an oasis of calm to recognize and enjoy the present. What a beautiful approach to both life and design. Oh yeah, you can hang it up easily just because it is open in the back, so you can put this on your wall. I'm definitely going to put this up somewhere today. I love it. Ooh, and it looks like we have a coffee mug. You know, I love coffee and I love tea, and I've said before, I don't believe there's such thing as having too many coffee mugs in your home. But this says Cuddle Weather on it, and this is so cute. It says Cuddle Weather on both sides. I love big mugs like this. Awesome. It's like sturdy, you can tell it's good quality. So this is Handcrafted in Eden Cuddle Weather Campfire Mug. Beth, owner of Handcrafted in Eden, is a wife and mother that loves to create beautiful things for others to enjoy and gift. The goal of her shop is to bring beauty into your home and to provide positive and original decor and gifts for you to gift and enjoy personally. Each item is designed and handwritten by Beth, so you will not find anything like it anywhere else. Enjoy your favorite hot beverage in this unique handcrafted mug just in time for cuddle weather. Awesome, I love it. Next up, it looks like we have a bath product. This is by Larkin Artisan Bath & Body Body Polish. This is 4 ounces. So this is what the packaging looks like. And it looks like the scent is Cozy Up. And it says how to use, apply to moist skin and gently rub to exfoliate and moisturize. I mean, this is handcrafted in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Let's smell it. So there is a safety seal. Oh my god, it smells so good. What is that scent? It's like, here, let's read the ingredients. Maybe they'll kind of give it away. So sugar, sunflower oil, rice bran oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, emulsifying wax, stearic acid, beeswax, fragrance, and mica. Oh my Oh yeah, it smells like fall. It smells so good. Let's see, maybe it says it up here. Like, it smells like what you would think Cozy Up smells like. So Larkin Root Cozy Up Body Polish, and it's Caitlin Clark. If you guys don't know, my actual name is Caitlin. Kitty's a nickname, and she spells it like me. Caitlin Clark, creator of Larkin Root, came to the realization that no other company was making products that met her skincare needs. Each product is designed from the ground up to use the most gentle and effective ingredients that will soothe and moisturize your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. That means these products are free from parabens, phthalates, and palm oil. Many of their products are vegan friendly and all are 100% handmade from scratch in small batches. Larkin Root is about more than effective products for sensitive skin. It's about providing daily luxury and creating a moment of grace in our hectic lives. Cozy flannels, warm sweaters, and fuzzy blankets. Cozy up this fall with a warm, spicy body polish to set the mood. Made with a custom blend of pumpkin spice essential oils. Duh, why couldn't I think of pumpkin spice? It smells just like pumpkin spice, my favorite thing. Oh my god. Polish away rough and bumpy spots with generous amounts of skin-loving oils and sugar to polish and moisturize dull, dry skin with no oily residue. Perfect for rough elbow or feet, yet gentle enough to use all over. Each jar is hand-filled to the brim in an average a full ounce more in rich moisturizing exfoliation. Due to the handmade nature of this body polish, no two jars will look exactly the same. It smells so good. Love it. We still have two more things, I believe. Oh, we have a piece of jewelry and it's a ring. We never get rings in boxes. I think I have once that was in my Pop Sugar, but let's see. So this is a crisscross ring in silver, handmade in India by Fair Trade Artisan Group, and this is by Mota Traders, Fashion for a Better World. This is so cool. Let's see, I'll put it on. And this, you can kind of bend it, so I think this would fit everyone. It has that open closure, but isn't that pretty? So the Mota Traders crisscross ring in silver. Mota Traders began as three best friends with a serious case of wanderlust who set out on an around-the-world adventure and landed in Mother India for 4 months. Enamored with the culture, markets, and colorful textiles, they vowed to make the country a part of their life story. A love affair with India has evolved into Mota Traders, a design-driven fair trade fashion brand helping to end global poverty and inspire consumers to change their fashion industry. Made by artisans in India and Nepal, their colorful, original designs provide a stable source of income for families in economically disadvantaged communities. Add a classy flair to your look with this crisscross ring. It's adjustable and timeless, perfect for all outfits in any season. I agree, and I love that it's adjustable so it can fit everyone. I think it's really pretty. Nice. Love it. And then we have a little dish here. Let me get this out of the wrapping. Oh, and I love it. It says good vibes. You know, I'm all about that. I already said that. And it says made exclusively for the dish. So this is the Dish Limited Good Vibes Ring Dish. The dish brings a perfect balance of beauty and whimsy to your home. Whether you want to celebrate your hometown, cheer on your favorite team, or support your political party, the dish has a collection for you. Featuring signature black illustrations on white china, their designs are instantly recognizable and as attractive as they are functional. The dish works with select artists and designers to create exclusive pieces that celebrate the landmarks and events that make each place they feature special. Designed and decorated in the USA. This beautiful ring dish is perfect for storing jewelry and multifunctional. You can even use it as a soap dish. Awesome. Definitely gonna find some good use for this. I love it. And again, I just love seeing positive affirmations, even as simple as good vibes. I think that is awesome. But yeah, so that is everything that came in the box. And it gives all the websites on the back for where all of the products came from. So I love that they support companies and give us a background on their story, and all of it has to do with good vibes and making the world a better place. I just love this box. I love the message. So again, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and as well as that promo code to get a free gift. So in November you'll get all of these items and then an additional item. I'm not sure what that item is, so you'll have one surprise. I think that's super exciting, so definitely take advantage of that if you are subscribing. But I love this box. It makes me feel really good when I open it. I love everything that came inside. I can't even pick what would be my favorite. I love it all. And this ring is unique to get in a box too. This is all just so great. and I can't get over how good this smells. Like pumpkin spice is everything. I love it so much. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me and watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.